Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope so. You're all doing good. Yes, let me first introduce myself. I'm Kotishwari from Arihant College of Education, and today I'm going to take mathematics for you. So, before going into the topic, I'll be showing you a picture. Watch this picture and tell me what is it. Okay. What do you see in this picture? Yes. Yes, it's pizza. Yes. And how many equal parts it is divided into? 8 equal parts. Very good. So in this pizza, how much is taken away or how much it has eaten? Yes, 2 parts are taken away. So how much part is left over now? 6 parts are left over. Yes, students. Now how you will represent it in fraction? Yes. 6 by 8. So what is a fraction, students? Fraction means it is a part of a whole. Yes. And this, as you derived it, this for this pizza, 6 parts of pizza are present, but the total number of parts of pizza are 8. So tell me, students, is this which type of fraction? It is a proper fraction where the numerator is lesser than the denominator. And in improper fraction, what is the denominator is greater or numerator is greater? Yes, the numerator is greater in improper fractions. And today in our class, we are going to see a different type of fraction called mixed fractions. Okay, it is a combination of whole numbers as well as a fraction. So first we will see mixed fraction and then we will see how to convert from improper to mixed fractions. Now let me explain you the 3 types of fractions. Both proper fractions and improper fractions you have learnt before itself. And today we will see about mixed fractions, which includes the part as well as the whole. So our unit is operations on fractions. So what we are going to see today is how to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions and mixed fractions to improper fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions. So these are all the topics that today we are going to cover. Okay, students. First, let us see the definition of mixed numbers. So first let us see the definition of mixed numbers. A mixed fraction is defined as a fraction formed by combining a whole number and a fraction. Okay. So as it is very clear, it includes a part of a fraction and it includes the whole number also. So we are going to see the operations on the mixed numbers. Now first let us see how to convert improper fraction to mixed fractions. Okay. Now can you see the students? Convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. Now this is one full unit because all the 3 parts are shaded, and this is also one full unit and all the 3 parts are shaded. Here only one part is shaded. Now this is how you are going to represent in improper fraction is you have to count all the parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 parts are shaded from the total 3 units, from total 3. So improper fraction, as it tells, the numerator is greater than the denominator and it also includes the part of a fraction and the part of a collection. See here, this is a collection of circles. So how now you are going to represent the improper fraction? 7 by 3. This is how we represent the improper fraction. Now our work is to convert this improper fraction 7 by 3 to a mixed fraction. Okay. Now how many whole parts are there? 1, 2. These are the 2 whole parts. If there are 2 more circles, the whole circles which are shaded, then we can write it 4. Here there are only 2 circles, that we can take it as a single unit. 1, 1, 2 plus here from the 3 parts only 1 part is shaded. So how you are going to represent this? 2, 1 by 3. This is how we are going to represent in mixed fraction. Is it clear, students? Now we will solve a problem how to convert improper to mixed fractions. Okay. There are 7 apples. You are going to share it with 2 persons. So first we are going to divide it normally and represent by quotient, remainder by divisor. 7 by 2. As the 7 is a greater, this is numerator is greater, so this is improper fraction. We are going to convert to the mixed fraction. We are going to divide it. 3 2s are 6. What is the remainder we got? 1. What is the quotient, students, here? 3. What is the remainder? 1. What is the divisor here? 2. And what is the dividend here? The dividend is 7 here. So students, tell me, what is the difference between divisor and dividend? The number which is divided by is called as divisor, and the number which is being divided. Here 7 is being divided by which number? 2. So that is dividend. So you should know the difference between divisor and dividend. Now we are going to substitute this in the formula to convert it into a mixed fraction. Quotient, remainder by divisor. Simple. 3, 1 by 2. So how much apple will one person will get? 3.5 apple will one person will get. Is it clear, students? And you have converted the improper to mixed fraction also. Next we are going to see how to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. Okay. Let us take an example. 3 2 by 5. 3 2 by 5, we are going to convert. This is what fraction now? I have taught you how to write it as mixed fraction. So this is a mixed fraction. We are going to convert it into improper fraction. See, this is a formula to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Whole number is what here? 3 is a whole number. You are going to multiply 3 into denominator 5 plus the numerator 2 by denominator. Whole number is 3 into denominator 5 plus numerator by denominator 5. This is equal to what? 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17 by 5. Now you have converted into a improper fraction. Any doubt, students? You are now confident to convert both these fractions? Yes. Now next what you are going to see is addition of fractions. addition of fractions, we are going to see two methods. Okay. Now, addition of fractions, we are going to solve it first method here. You are going to take the whole numbers separately. These are the two whole numbers, 5 and 2, and we are going to take it separately. Plus the fraction part, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, now we are going to add these two. Now can we add both these things? These are unlike fractions, can we add? No, we can't add. You have to think critically, students, here. If you are having unlike fractions, you can't add before taking LCM. You have to take LCM for even, for addition and for subtraction. So 4 is your LCM. We will multiply into 2. So 2 plus 4, here you already have 4. So no need to multiply. So directly 3 into 1 is 3. So this is equal to what? 5 by 4. But still, this is an improper fraction. Yes, 5 by 4. I am converting it. So I am splitting this 5 by 4 as 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So this will be what? 5 by 4. Since this is like fractions, we can add it. 5 by 4, I have splitted 5 by 4 as 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to what? 4 by 4 is 1. So 7 plus 1 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to 8 1 by 4. That is equal to 8 1 by 4. That is equal to 33 by 4. 33 by 4. Now we are going to solve the same question in another method. Question is 5 1 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4. You are going to add. This is another separate method where we are going to multiply the whole number to the denominator and adding with the numerator. 5 2s are 5 into 2 So I am writing here 5 into 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 into 4 plus 3 by 4. 5 2s are 10, so 11 by 2 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. So taking LCM once again, 4, we need to multiply into 2, 11 2s are 22 plus 11. What is the answer? 33 by 4. The same answer we got it here for this method also and for this method also in addition of fractions. Here we have taken the whole number separately and added. Here we used the multiplication rule 5 into 2 plus 1. Whole number into denominator plus numerator. Understood how to add by taking LCM by two different methods? Yes. Now we'll see how to do subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fraction 3 2 by 5 minus 2 1 by 5. This is what we are going to do the subtraction. First we will take like we have done the addition of fractions, we are going to take the whole number separately. 3 minus 2. Here 3 is a whole number and 2 is a whole number. There we added, here we are going to subtract it. Plus, because why I am putting plus here, I am taking this fraction from the mixed fraction. As you know, mixed fraction is a combination of whole and a part of a fraction. Yes, so that is why I am putting plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 7. 3 minus 2, 1. Now you are going to take the LCM. What is the LCM here? These two are odd numbers. So directly we can multiply. 7 5s are 35. Here you need to multiply with 7 to get 35. 5 into 7, 35. So on the numerator also we will multiply with 7. 2 7s are 14. Minus, here you have 7. 7 into 5, 35. 14 minus 5. What is 14 minus 5? 9. 9 by 35. Now, what is your answer here? 44 by 35 is your answer here. And now we are going to do it in another method. Okay, same question. Okay, here we are going to multiply it. 5 3s are 15. Two into 7 plus 1 by 7. Okay. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 minus 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15 by 7. So what did you get now? Once again you have to take the LCM now. LCM is 35 multiplying into 7. 17 into 7, 119 minus 15 into, you have to multiply it with 5 because you get 35. 15 into 5, 75. That is equal to, subtract it separately, okay. 44 by 35. And see the answer. 44 by 35, 44 by 35. So, two different methods, we got the same answer. Now students, I have cleared all the things, means the improper fraction to mixed fractions to improper fraction, addition we have seen two methods and subtraction we have seen two methods. Okay, so today we are done for this today. Now we will see the next topic. Yes students, now we are going to see the word problem. Okay, the question is, Aradhana grows potatoes in 2/5 part of a garden and greens in one part, 1/3 part and brinjal in the remaining part. On how much part of a plot did she plant brinjal? Okay students, now tell me from the question, how much part did she grow potatoes? Yes, 2/5. How much part should she grow greens? 1/3. Now see, let the whole part be 1. Whatever she has cultivated, let it be the whole full unit as 1. She has grown potatoes, she has grown greens. But the question asked here is, you need to find out how much part brinjals she has grown in the remaining part. So we have to, what type of operation you have to do it here? To find the remaining part, you have to subtract. Very good. So, subtracting from 1 minus 2/5 plus 1/3. Because she has grown potatoes and greens. Adding that and subtracting it with 1, we are getting 15 minus 11/15. So, what is that? 4/15. Very good students. Now, let us see that you have learnt all these things clearly. Okay. Now let us see how much you have learnt. What is a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is defined as a fraction which is formed by combining the whole number and a fraction. Now what is the formula to convert the improper fraction into mixed fractions? Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Or you can use the whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Now how you will convert 7 2 by 5 into improper fraction? As I have taught you how to do this, 7 into 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 35 plus 2 by 5, that is equal to 37 by 5. Very good, students. So this is a link that I have given for application. I will be giving it in the description box. So you can go to the link, students, and fill the Google form and submit it. Next, the most awaited part is your homework. Represent one 5 by 8 mixed fraction in a chart paper using paper strips. Okay. Don't forget to do your homework. And this is the worksheet I have made for you. This is very easy how to convert it. I have given one example on the top. 2 whole unit plus